Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R15 and today I'll show you how to update apps. And to get started you want to open up the Play Store, which for me is right here. Simply tap on it. And once it loads, tap on the three bars up here. And you'll see My Apps and Games right here as the first option. Tap on it and then you'll have updates, which should be open by default. Give it a moment, it starts scanning. And from here, you'll have all the list of updates. If you don't see anything, that means that you're completely up to date. And you can also update each app individually, so you don't have to do it all together. You could just simply tap on something like this, let it update, downloads, gives you a little progress, and then it's finished. You can also tap on Update All, as you can see right here, and once you tap on it, it will just begin downloading every single app. So that might take a little bit longer. I'm not gonna go through this entire process. You can also stop it if you don't want it to download right now. But that's basically how you would update apps. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.